everybody, it's Dr. Alex Earle. We're here at Pure Plastic Surgery, and today I wanted to showcase what I talked about in my previous hump day. So we're now starting what we're calling the minimally invasive or minimal access BBL. As you can see here, there are only two incision points, one right here at the bra line and one right here in between the butt cheeks, okay? So whereas before we used to have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 incisions for the liposuction, now we've narrowed it down to only 2. We can still get that beautiful Earle curve, okay, that beautiful upside down heart. We do add the 2 small incisions, of course, for the fat transfer. These are going to be extremely easy to hide, very easy to hide, and even a very, very small bikini, as this one goes right along that bra line or bikini line up here. And even if you wear a small kind of thong, that's going to be completely hidden right there. So, same incredible results with minimal access for your BBL.